It's fake kills.
But there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss any of my video. So today I've already done with my eyebrows. You can see, just go with the eyebrow that fits your face. So yeah, I'm done. I'm going to be doing dark blue glitter eyebrow today. So let's get started. I received this brush from beautybaby. It comes like this. Finally, I have my own brush, because the other one, if I'm using it, guys, oh man, I'm like, hey, also they be like, whoa, go have mercy. So really, I want to try to be speaking my language a little bit, because I watch a lot of Igbo, Yoruba. They always speak their language. They always try to use one word inside. So I will be doing that. If you are Isha, support your sister. Here we are here. So guys, I will be starting with concealer, applying concealer. I already applied concealer, but that concealer is already dry, so I still have to apply more. Applying concealer, you don't have to swipe, you just have to dab because when you are swiping, it's like you are wiping the concealer out. Don't swipe, just dab. Then after applying concealer, I will be using sellotape. Why I use sellotape? To make it more like neat for me there, and it make it so easy, and that place will be clear after applying eyeshadow. I will be using Brazilian Carnival eyeshadow. So I will be using red. If you subscribe to my channel, you know this eyeshadow don't have number, it don't have name. The plastic that come with it that have name, yeah, my kids turn it. So just use any of your red. I'm not going to be applying much. So the blue we are going to be using is a Samplebeauty pigment. So it's very sharp, small will go a long way. This blue is from beautybaby. I order it from beautybaby. They have all different color of your choice. If you like it, you can go there and order. So I will just be careful not to go too high applying it like that. You just have to like cut it with your crease eye. You will know, because dipping your brush inside, you know where your crease eye just passed, where you have bone, something like that. If you are still doing it, you understand what I'm saying. I will apply it, repeat the process for the other eye. The brush I'm using, I don't remember the name of, like, I don't know the brush I'm using again, and it have name. The name is what is it called? Eyeshadow blend. You just have name like that, but I don't remember the brush I use again, and I already clean it and mix it together. Sorry about that one. Just use brush of your choice that is not too strong, like, you know, not too hard for you. Then go back to the red again and use it to blend it, so that I will not have that sharp blue where it just pass. Just use it to blend it like, you know, I'm swiping it now. It's not that hard. It's just, I'm just using the red to pass on top of the blue, so that it will blend together. You can see the different why I'm using that. I still have to keep it doing that. So adding glitter with this, I don't supposed to add glitter again, but as I said before, is glitter blue eyeshadow I'm going to be doing today. So the mistake I make here, if you are doing this glitter, I don't use spray, to it's not going to work. It was not sticky, it was just sticky to the brush. It's not sticking, it's going to fall out after using it. I try just to pack it. So I remember that I have this Forever 52 eyeshadow base. so it was so very easy. Even though I still spray this, it was not working, so I used that one. It stick so very easy. So guys, I moved to makeup. I have to wipe my face in case of the excess glitter that fall. It was not too much because of the eyeshadow base I used to apply the glitter. Then the things I use is what I've been using for my makeup before. I will just use eyeliner. Why I use eyeliner for this is not, eyeliner is not needed, but to make the center of the eyelashes full, you don't have to see the where the eyelashes just pass. That's why I have to apply eyeliner, so that the eyelashes and the eyeliner will just mash together. This is why I use sellotape. It make it so clean, it make it so easy. Then I will use a mascara to stand my natural eyelashes. The eyelashes I'm going to be using, this is the first time of using this kind of double and full eyelashes. Guys, if you are a beginner, that's what I always said for beginner. I'm still a beginner, I'm not perfect. You just have to keep on, because I remember even the light eyelashes I can't even fix before. Than now I can even fix double of eyelashes. It was very full. And with this kind of eyeshadow, we need very full eyelashes, so that when you blink your eye down, it's like everything will just full. It's like dramatic eyelashes. You can see the one I apply already. See the one there was no eyelashes, there was different already. So this hand is always difficult for me to install my eyelashes. Even to do a lot of things in this hand, this eye is crazy, but yeah, we still have to do it. I will move to everyday studio primer. I use this again. Applying primer, you can use your hand. If it's clean, you can use brush, but this brush I just keep for eyeshadow primer. I will just add some liquid highlighter, just to to make that one. Even though if I finish my makeup I didn't use that highlighter, is going to be okay. Then the foundation I will be using Perfect Match and NYS foundation. I will mix it together. I always mix it to bring my color out. One is light, one is pink, so I will just mix it, blend, and dab. Why I have to swipe for the forehead is not hard, is because of my eyebrow. If I don't swipe like this, I dab, I can just dab my eyebrow. Sometimes I do that, I have to go back again and sharpen the place, blend it to your neck so that you don't have to. So then I'll go back to L concealer, just apply it under my eye, my crease eye, my nose, my cheek, my forehead, then blend all together. The beauty blend I'm using, beauty blend or beauty blending, yeah, anyone you call it, sorry guys. So I wet it with water. You have to wet it with water. If you don't wet it with water, it's going to dry, then taking all those foundation out. Wet it with water is like you are pressing it in your body. It's not going to take a lot like that. You blend, you see it's coming out. Your girl is getting better for makeup. I will use it's concealer, but this one is dark one. I will just put it inside of my cheek, close to my nose. Someone want to have a pencil nose. Is it pencil nose? So it's very dark, so I just use a little bit. We go a long way, a little bit. So use the brush. This is the brush I'm using. I'm not changing it. I always keep it inside my bag. Sometimes I wash it, sometimes I don't wash it. I just leave it because it's for this side only. I don't use it for any other one.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy yard, say she give me pommy yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl say my wine in them, me grinding at the thing so. Any man them me looking at the thing so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so.
Why I go back and use this one is because of to make everything, if they have ash color, to make it blend. Then I will be using banana baking powder to bake my face, my cheek, my forehead, and everywhere I like to highlight or I like to bake. Just applying it, leave it, let it bake. For me, I don't leave it that long. Then just draw my lip, eyebrow. The brown I'm using is dark brown eyebrow. I use it for my eyelid if I'm drawing my eyebrow eyelid. So if I'm leading my eyebrow, is it like that to put it? Sorry guys. So then to finish it, I use MAC MW45 to finish it, like to dust the baking powder out. For this one, I think before, if I'm swiping it, I'm dusting it out, but I have to press this one inside. I think I have another idea like that, like swiping it out. It was so really perfect for me. Before, I always like dust it out, dust it out, dust it out. Then this one, I press it. So where I just bake was poppy, like, is it poppy? Oh. So yeah, I enjoy this makeup, enjoy it. I was looking at the camera because sometimes it's not what you see or your, so I will use this color. I don't know the name wipe. I have this lead since the beginning, like it was with me for a long time. So the name wipe is white. Then I use it for under my eye. I didn't use black, I just use it for under my water eye. Then go to the beauty Carnival Beauty Palace blue, then use the blue to smoke under my water eye. I just have to go back to the eyeshadow palace and use the one that is not too dark for corner of my nose. Like, you know, yeah, someone wants to try to have pencil nose. So I just blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I want.
I will use the Master Chrome highlighter to highlight my nose, side of my eyebrow. I don't really like highlight up of my eyebrow. Just use the brush just to pass there.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
The lipstick I will be using is from pharmacy, so it's just natural. Then I will add my natural lip gloss to make it more not too dry.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga.
I will be using Cosmo red from Beauty Babe.
Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that.
Then using highlighter, I have to get highlighter brush. This one was not really the brush for highlighter, so it was still okay. Then just highlight, spray my face with light glitter spray. It have glitter inside. When I spray it on my face, you can see my clothes, it was sparking because of the spray. It have glitter inside.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good.
So guys, here is the final look of the makeup. I'm going to try my best to link everything down below, but I can't find the link of the things I use because I have them before. And I will try to leave the eyelashes if you are interested with these full eyelashes. The eyelashes is from AliExpress. You can get it. I'm going to look for the link, then leave it down. It will just direct you to the place. Or if I can't find the link, you just go to AliExpress, just look for like double drum eyelashes, because this is just double and it's very full. A lot of eyelashes will come outside. And please don't forget to subscribe to my and turn on your notification, thumbs up if I try. Leave a comment down below what you think about this makeup, please. And yeah, have a blessed weekend. I love you guys so much. Bye.
You are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.